This is our space storage system with SpaceStation-G and SpaceWalk-G. Space builds on the grapnels box concept. In the stationary module, the space station, the boxes, which are prepared with teaching materials, are stored in a central location. The mobile module, the SpaceWalk, contains the boxes that are to be used for teaching. The boxes are simply switched over in the preparation room. The newly equipped module is then wheeled into the teaching room. Here, the students remove the boxes and take them to their workplaces. The fact that space is harmonized with other furniture systems is of great value. The grapnels boxes can be pushed under various students' tables. They can be stored in the Shift Plus landscape and Series 800 storage elements. And they fit under the Shift Plus Up platform. When the students have finished their work, they clear the boxes away and put them back into the SpaceWalk. This makes it easy to keep things neat and tidy. After this, SpaceWalk remains in the classroom until it is used again. Alternatively, the module can be moved onto the next room. Or the teacher can take it and the boxes used by the students to the staff room in order to correct their work. Because space is asked to do a lot of heavy work, the modules must be robust and, in the case of SpaceWalk, nevertheless easy to move. We manufacture the frames from powder-coated rectangular steel tubes. The guide rails for the grapnels boxes are located on the sides of the frame. They possess pull-out protection. SpaceWalk is equipped with 4 lockable double casters. This is what the basic SpaceWalk models look like. Additionally, each module can be equipped with side covering, back panel, and also with a door, all made from powder-coated steel sheets. The door is closed by a magnet, is only available with a lock, and can be opened through 180 degrees. And this is what the SpaceWalk models look like when they are fully clad. A maximum of 9 flat or 4 high boxes can be inserted in each row, with or without lid. What is more, when not equipped with a back wall, SpaceWalk can be used from both sides. Each box may be loaded with a maximum of 5 kilograms. In everyday use, boxes of different heights and colors can be combined in a row. Only when space is ordered together with the grapnels boxes is it necessary to code identical boxes for each row. And now on to Space Station, the stationary module. Here there are 2 basic models, with 1 row or 2 rows. Up to 18 flat or 8 high boxes will fit in each row. Space Station must always be fixed to the wall. If multiple modules are located next to one another, they should be linked together using row connectors. With Space Station, existing boxes can again be combined with one another as required. Just as for the equipment, there is also a large choice of body colors for space. From solid colors to a kaleidoscopic mix, there are many different possibilities, exactly as you like it. However, a restriction applies with regard to the guide rails. They are only available in black or white, depending on the color of the frame body.